this video, we will show you how to locate a specific periodical through the Pearce library. For example, let's pretend that your English professor is asking you to find an article from a publication titled Shakespeare Quarterly. To see if the Pearce library even has that periodical, you should start in the library's home page and then locate the tab that reads Find Articles. Underneath that tab, there is a subtab that reads Journal Finder. By opening Journal Finder, you are opening a directory of all of the periodicals that the library subscribes to. And by periodicals, we mean academic journals, newspapers, magazines, etc. Since we already know the specific title of a publication, let's type it to see if the Pearce library has it. Shakespeare Quarterly. It does seem like the library has something titled Shakespeare Quarterly, so I'm going to click search, and sure enough, here it is. You want to click on the link that says full text access, and this will show you all of the databases to which you can access this periodical. In this case, it seems like only JSTOR has access to Shakespeare Quarterly starting from 1950 up to the present. And right underneath this, you can see that it says Pearce College Print Holdings. This means that the Pearce Library has the printed editions of this periodical starting from 1992, in this case, to the present. So if you wanted to look at the print version of this periodical, you would have to go to the reference desk inside the library and ask for this specific publication. But if you're allowed to use the digital counterpart, you can simply open up the database that carries this periodical. Now that I have logged in through the Pearce Library proxy, I have opened up access to JSTOR. And you can see that this is Shakespeare Quarterly, and we have access to it starting in the winter of 2013 all the way back to, I assume, the 1950s. So if you were looking for a particular edition in a certain volume or issue, this is how you would find it. You can also search for keywords by changing this JSTOR setting to in this journal. And let's say I'm writing a paper on Othello. So by doing this, I'm searching for all of my specific keywords within the publication of Shakespeare Quarterly. And as you can see, I'm starting to see articles that are coming from Shakespeare Quarterly. And all of these articles simply contain the keyword Othello because that's what I search for. So if you're looking for a specific periodical that is newspaper, magazine, or journal, you can always look for it to see if the Pearce Library has access to off of Journal Finder from the library website underneath Find Articles. Thank you.